May I introduce you to a palliative and supportive care practice in a spectacular location that offers not only the highest quality of medical care, but also a great lifestyle with the very best of year-round outdoor activities. Kalispell Regional Healthcare, situated in the heart of northwestern Montana's Flathead Valley, is expanding its geriatrics and palliative care service. They will provide you with their full support, including a generous compensation package designed to meet your needs with salary, bonuses, and comprehensive benefits. The area will offer you the best of leisure time activities. In 15 minutes, you can be on the shore of Flathead Lake or on a ski lift at Whitefish Mountain Resort. And in 30 minutes, you can be hiking the trails at Glacier National Park and taking in its truly breathtaking scenery. Michelle Kraft can provide you with details. Phone her at 800-678-7858.